are you doing?
I'm walking the cat.
Today we are going to make the ultimate escape chair.
Woo!
Woo! Celebration, editing, too hard to do that. What you're gonna do is you're going to have obviously duct tape to do something. You just need to grab whatever you see around the house. It doesn't have to relate to the chair. And then we have a little special surprise. Now we're looking around for the duct tape. Do you know where it is? No, you don't live here. I don't know if we have tape. So right now we have David on camera. Of course, if you're gonna escape somewhere, you're gonna need to sit down, cat. Otherwise, I'll shoot you in the face.
Well, there goes our escapee.
So we're going to make this duct tape, and we're going to put it to the side like that.
If you ruin your chair, mate, you didn't do it right.
If your cat doesn't jump off the chair at any point, you're not doing it right.
It takes lots of talent. You need lots of tape, otherwise, because you know how guns have like a lot of backfire. Yep, teeth always works. I love tape. Question, Hudson.
What?
What's tape taste like?
Food? Want? Just some stuff. So he's adding like a grenade launcher. I really need a new camera. Alright, so for this to work, we're going to need some circuit boards.
So that's going to be like the circuit control panel. So right now,
David's just taping one of the speakers to this board and making it really good because you can't escape places without sick music.
So this is going to be the tricky bit. Close on that work. Oh.
I don't even know if I'm on this side. No, I don't think it is.
It's the smaller of the two that you can plug it in.
Yeah, it's over here.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got our escapee. getting ready.
Having some prison
So,
lunch.
yep, we're getting ready for your escape mobile's nearly ready. What kind of prison, like, gives the people speakers? We don't know speakers are that bad.
Prison puts cats. Taking a while, we're just gonna cut until it's finished.
Enjoy the music. Wait, we're cutting. Oops. So, you've got our grenade launcher and our mirror. Our mirror is for deflecting laser beams. You never know when a guard's going to shoot you with a laser beam. So, we've got our rocket launcher, then we've got our torch for if it's dark. We've got a phone if our cat wants to do YouTube. You can read, you can do that. Okay, we've got our gun, which is for killing people, I think. Probably. Okay, we've got our gun. We've got our circuit board, which allows our gun to move. We've got the wires connecting these all together and allowing our mirror to deflect the laser beams. Yeah, if you turn around and have a look here, you've got the main control panel and the speaker. The speaker is just for listening to music because every cat needs that. This control panel, so these are the batteries which charges the phone and the torch at all times. These two control blocks, this control block is just for the special laser beam mirror. It's not just an ordinary mirror, it's special. This is what controls. This is the main stuff. Okay, science teacher!
Now for the element of surprise. If you're human and you are not a cat, I don't know who's not a cat, but if you're not a cat and you want to escape prison, all you have to do is spend $300 on a Swagway.
Okay, let's see, move.
Well, so we don't want to do it because who cares about safety? We don't want to put the tape around us so it can actually help us move more. But this is what it would be like. And then you can go backwards. And also, I know it's pretty weird, but you can go this way. I'm trying, God. You can go that way. So, but the main reason why it only goes forward mostly is because if you're going to escape somewhere, you don't go backwards, you don't go that way, you go forward. So, this machine that we've called right here, not that, this, all together, is called the skedaddle. Because skedaddle in the old days used to mean get out. Like you better skedaddle on out of here. You better go out of here. And we're calling the skedaddle mobile because
Skedaddle Mark 1.
yeah, skedaddle Mark 1 because it skedaddles. So that was the chair escape challenge, where it makes it so it's escapable to escape a prison, either full of cats or whatever. So the people that we are going to challenge to do this challenge is
Majectal Lab, Raptura, Charge Creeper Gaming.
Yeah, we challenge you to do this, and make sure when you do this, you know, since it was our idea, give us credit